We're going to turn now to the coronavirus pandemic because tonight the U.S. just passed 21 million confirmed cases. And after one of the deadliest weeks of the pandemic, the U.S. death toll now tops 356,000. There's more than 2,500 new COVID patients were admitted into hospitals just yesterday, and that is bringing the record total to more than 128,000. CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti is outside a hospital in Los Angeles where overcrowding has forced some extreme measures. Good evening, Jonathan.
Good evening, Nora. And hospitals across the state are stretched so thin tonight that in some cases hospitals have declared an internal disaster because of staffing shortages, meaning ambulances are being turned away.
Southern California hospitals are so full that some of the sickest patients can't even get here.
Used to be a 7 to 10 minute drive to a hospital, and now we're waiting 2, 3, 4 hours minimum.
With ambulances stacking up outside hospitals, Los Angeles County now issuing this directive to paramedics. Due to the severe impact of COVID, it says heart attack patients with little chance of survival shall not be transported.
We know that if you don't get a return of a pulse in the field, that transporting to the hospital really doesn't improve survival. So it's really a matter of futility.
The cycle is showing no signs of letting up. This is the massive line to get tested at Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles, a region where more than 1 out of every 5 tests comes back positive. California just setting a one-day record for COVID cases as officials move through holiday backlogs, over 70,000. But a major concern now is that new variant of the virus, over 50% more contagious, found in California, Florida, Colorado, New York, and now Georgia.
The UK strain is highly problematic, and it could be a game changer.
Especially important as states scramble to receive and administer vaccines. In Florida, hundreds of seniors camped out overnight in their cars as vaccines were given first come, first serve.
We've been in hibernation for a year, and we're getting too old for that because we ain't got that many years left.
The FDA had considered giving adults half doses of the Moderna vaccine to reach more people. The agency rejected that. A wise move, says former director of the CDC.
Stick with the program, take as directed, focus on getting the vaccines that we have available today into people's arms.
The infection rate in Arizona now the highest in the world for new cases, but it's those on the front lines who bear the biggest burden. Here's just one voice, a nurse in San Diego.
It gets hard every day, and we have each other to make it through, but sometimes it feels like all this work we're doing is for nothing because everybody just keeps getting COVID and it's just getting worse and worse and worse.
And ERs are so packed tonight here in Southern California that in some cases, patients are waiting up to 18 hours just to see a doctor. Nora.
Such a strain on our health care. Jonathan Vigliotti, thank you.